Hey, David, how you doing?
Pretty good, Skyler. How about yourself?
Can't complain. Doing well enough.
Good, good. So today we're talking about part 2 of the IELTS test.
Yeah, the first.
Now, the examiner will tell you have 1 to 2 minutes, but is that actually the case?
Not really. We say 1 to 2 minutes, but we want you to talk the entire 2 minutes.
The entire 2 minutes?
Yes, the entire 2 minutes. So, a lot of times actually, when the candidates stop, you're supposed to, as an examiner, you're supposed to prompt them to continue speaking for the whole 2 minutes.
Really? So if I was talking for a full 2 minutes, what would it feel like at the end of that 2 minutes?
That's exactly what we want. I'll cut you off at 2 minutes. Thank you very much. I'm watching my time closely. And then I'll just ask you another question to kind of wrap up that turn.
And now the wrap-up question. Should I again start talking as much as possible?
Not really. It's a bit of an odd thing. I think they feel that the person shouldn't just finish their turn and the examiner said, thank you very much, and now on to the next part. It's kind of just an attempt to make it seem more like a natural conversation. Would you go back to this place? Do you still keep in touch with these people?
So I should keep my answers short.
You should, but again, don't worry. Do what you need to do. The examiner will be the one to let you know.
So the key takeaways are talk for the full 2 minutes and then answer short and prompt, and the examiner will cut me off.
Absolutely.
I got it.
All right.